Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, video number 47, squares and square roots, section B, tough. Let's start. A general arranges his soldiers in the rows to form a perfect square. It means as many number of soldiers in one row, then as many number of rows. Okay. He finds that in doing so, 60 soldiers are left out. Means 60 soldiers are outside that square. Okay. If the total number of soldiers is 8160, then find the number of soldiers in each row. Okay. So if there are 10 soldiers in one row, then there are 10 rows. Right? If there are 20 soldiers in one row, there are 20 rows. And after that also 60 soldiers over here are left out separately. So what is the total number of soldiers? 10 into 10 plus 60. If this is x, then x into x plus 60. Right? So number of soldiers, number of rows equals to x equals to number of soldiers in each row, right? So total number of soldiers is x square for this square plus 60. So take 60 on this side, it becomes 8100. So x square equals to 8100, x equals to square root of 8100. 2 zeros separate, 1 0. 81 is 9. So 90 rows and 90 soldiers in one row. Next, the area of a square field is 80,244 by 729 square meters. Then the length of each side is, here 80,244 by 729 is a mixed fraction. We have to convert this to improper fraction. How? Simple. 729 into 80 plus 244. So 58564 upon 729. Okay. This is the area of the square field now. Now we have to find the area each side. So quite easy now. Two separate numbers, numerator and denominator. Find the square root of each number. So 58564 and 729 over here. Always remember one basic which I have told in every video of mine for square roots. Make groups of 2 and from right to left before the point and left to right after the point. Here there is no point, means the point is to the right. So 64, 85 and 5. These are the two groups. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.